Hello everyone. Let's talk about the question number 10 of GATE 2025 CS1 paper. A shop has four distinct flavors of an ice cream. One has to purchase any number of scoops of any flavor. One day, the order in which the scoops are purchased is inconsequential. If one wants to purchase three scoops of ice cream, in how many ways one can do that purchase? So, how many things you need to buy? Total three scoops. How many flavors do you have? So, we have total four flavors. Let's call it flavor one, flavor two, flavor three, and flavor four. Now, there are four flavors given to us. I want to choose them in a way like since the order is inconsequential, that means it is like F1, F2, F3, and F3, F2, F1, or like F2, F3, F1. They are all considered same. That means this question requires us to do some combination related stuff where order doesn't matter. Okay, there are total four flavors and there are total three scoops I have to fill. So either I can fill it with first flavor completely. Either I can fill it with first flavor, then second, third, or like first, second, second, whatever I want to do. There are many things I can do with this. Okay. So how many flavors I have to divide between these groups? Four flavors I have to divide. Okay. In order to divide four flavors, so let's say this is flavor one, this is flavor two, this is flavor three, and this is flavor four. How will I divide them? In order to divide these flavors, so let's say it like this, that all the three comes in the first flavor. Or let's say uh, one comes here, one comes here, one comes here. Or two comes here, one comes here, two comes here. And so we have to write all the possible cases. So that can take a lot of time to write. So instead, what we can do is, if I have to divide four flavors, I can use three bars in between them. So if this is flavor one, if I divide them, let's say from and to here, I fill flavor one, then I put a bar. Then I from here to here, I fill flavor two. Again, I put a bar. And again, here to here, I put flavor three. I put a bar. And here to here, I flavor four. So how many bars I need to divide them? Total three bars. Okay. So I need total three bars. So three empty spaces in which I need to divide these flames. So if somehow, again, I'm saying, if somehow I know how to arrange these bars or like how to uh, fill these bars, or like what are the combinations of these bars in which uh, the flavors can be divided. So what are the places I have to fill the flavors? These are the three places: place one, place two, and place three. These are my three places where I need to fill these flavors. So I just need to figure out how many ways I can arrange these bars. So three places for the flavors and three extra places created because of these bars. Either it can be this, like flavor one completely, then flavor two here, which is like empty, flavor three here from here, and flavor from here. Or I can do it, flavor one completely here, like flavor one completely till here, and flavor two between this, flavor three between this, and then flavor four. So I have to figure out how many ways I can arrange these bars. So how many extra spaces I create due to these bars? Assuming one bar create one space, total three spaces are created. So three plus three, total six places are in that. I have to figure out the choosing of three bars. So six, three, three is equal to 6 factorial upon 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Now you might question कि सर ये कैसे चल रहा है? How did this happen? So let's see. First, let's take the duplicacy case. Like this is O1, O2, bar 1, B1, B2, B3. Like this is B1, this is B2, and this is B3. For example. Then in order to, the permutation wala part will be 6 factorial upon 6 minus 3 factorial, which is 3 factorial if I have to arrange these in 6 places. But I don't want any duplicacy. So I will again divide it by 3 factorial. Those 3 characters which are duplicate if I consider them as same. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial, 3 factorial. 6 factorial will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial. You can divide this. So it comes out to be 6 into 5 into 4 by 6. So it comes out to be 20. So 20 is the answer. There are 20 ways in which you can uh, make that purchase. Like if you want to purchase 3 scoops of ice cream from the given 4 flavors, distinct flavors, you can do that. लेट मी क्विकली रिवाइज इट. आपको 4 फ्लेवर डिवाइड करने, तो 4 फ्लेवर्स को डिवाइड करने के लिए 3 अलग अलग बार्स चाहिए. उनकी वजह से स्पेसेस कंट्रीब्यूट होंगे. आपको वो फ्लेवर डिवाइड किसके बीच में करने हैं? 3 स्कूप्स के बीच में. तो 3 स्कूप्स ये रहे, उनके बीच में 3 बार अरेंज करने का हमें तरीका बताना है. तो टोटल कितने स्पेस हो गए? 6. 6 में 3 बार चूज करने का तरीका बताना है. तो 6C3. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. द टोटल आंसर इज 20. And also, if you don't want to do anything, then there is a direct formula for this. There is a direct formula for this, like n plus r minus 1 upon n minus 1, you can say, where n is 4, r is 3. So directly you can do that as well. You can use the formula of n minus r minus 1 ka factorial upon n minus 1 factorial. You can substitute n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 3. N plus r minus 1, sorry, n plus r minus 1, sorry. So this will come out to be 6C3. That's it for this particular video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.